In Microsoft, Windows computer, I opened the MS Word, MS Office, and here I am going to turn this number log in our keyboard, and I am going to turn this number log on. Now you can see that number log have been enabled here. At the same time, I am going to press the Alt key in my left side of the space bar. I am going to keep one finger in this Alt key. I am not removing my finger from this Alt key. At the same time, I am going to type here 9748, and after typing that, I am simply going to release my finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, yes, you can see that the umbrella with the raindrops have been added. So this is the keyboard shortcut for creating the Alt code shortcut for creating umbrella with the raindrops. So if you are using this in Microsoft Word, you can even change the color by simply selecting this umbrella with the raindrop, and from here you must simply change the color also, whatever you want for the umbrella and raindrop. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers Online. Thank you.